Here is our a little bit about our hiring methodology, and this is one of the differentiators when you come to work for plans. We have a specific method that we use during our interview process. So I-PLAN. What is I-PLAN? I-PLAN stands for integrity, passion, longevity, attitude, and never being complacent. So, as Dina mentioned, these are things that cannot be taught, right? You either have integrity or you don't. You have the right attitude or you don't. And so we are looking for candidates that possess these qualities. We have robust training here. We do on-the-job training. We will train you up for your position. But these are the things that you need to come to us with. And so the way that we identify candidates that have these qualities is through a series of questions during the interview process. So you'll meet with a recruiter and they'll ask specific questions that will lead us to if someone possesses these qualities or not. So if you're looking at the screen right now and you know that these words describe you, we want to connect with you. We want to hear from you. And but these are the people that we hire for. These are what the qualities that your coworkers will have. So hopefully this describes you, and we'll connect with you.